Hi everyone, I've just had a very exciting delivery. I've just finished up my morning clients and I arrived home to a parcel at the door, which I'm pretty excited about because I have not bought myself anything new in a little while. So I have got a delivery from Cotton On. I usually buy a lot of my activewear from there just because I find that it is really comfortable and affordable, and that's what I tend to go for, so affordable. So I'm just gonna open up the box. I thought I'd give you a little look at what I bought. I took advantage of the Black Friday sales last week, and I didn't even think that it had sent yet, but I got a notification last night that it was on the way, and already this morning it has arrived. So just opened up the box. I also got a few different colors of things that I wouldn't usually wear, but I thought I would give them a go and see if I like them or not. So first thing, I got a dress. So it's just I think that it's a short length dress. I'm not really sure. It's not really something that I'd usually buy, but I think it was only like $10 or something. So that's the first one, and my favorite color is green, so that's a fun little fact for you. All right, next item is a shirt. So I've really been loving my oversized shirts lately, particularly to wear to the gym. I just find that they're really comfy and I feel confident, I suppose, in them because they cover up a lot of things. So if there's one day that I maybe feel a little bit bloated, or if it's that time of the month, then I find that a big oversized shirt with a pair of shorts is always a good option. So that's the next one. I think I got a few oversized shirts actually. Yes, I did. Here's the next one. Actually, this one's not oversized. This one's just a regular sized shirt. So if you know anything about me, you know that I like heavier music, so rock, punk, all of that sort of thing. So I haven't actually listened to Def Leppard in a long time, but I got a Def Leppard shirt. I mainly like the grey colour, so I've been really loving this sort of slate grey colour lately. So that's that one. I got a few pairs of underwear as well, which I probably don't need to show you. Next one. Oh yeah, that's right. So I got a dress that is a similar style to the first one, so the green one, except this one has a bit more of a scrunch pattern, and this is one of the ones that is a color that I wouldn't usually buy. So it's sort of like a cream sort of color. It doesn't really show up well on camera, but anyway. So it's got the bunch pattern all the way on the front of the dress. They also got some mainly activewear pieces actually in this delivery. So this is the first one. So it's just a white little crop top with like a little double strap. So it's a really thin double strap, so I think that that will look really nice. And luckily for me, I don't really have much in the chest area, so I can get away with wearing something like this with the padding in there on its own, so that's really good. Next one, I actually got something yellow. I never buy yellow. I have had yellow t-shirts in the past, but that was when I was like, I don't know, 10 or something like that. And I remember it looking nice on me at the time, so I'm hoping that this light yellow color will look okay on me. So that's one of the little activewear shirts. It's got like a little halter neck. I think it's a halter neck. I'm not really sure what you call that, but I'll try it on later and I'll give you a look at that. So it's just got a little cross back pattern on the back like that. And that one is also padded. More underwear. I really like the seam-free underwear. I find that they look really good under your activewear, so pairs of tights and shorts, and they're just really comfortable. So the next shirt or the next top I have is exactly the same as the yellow one that I just showed you, except it is white. So exact same, it's just in white. I also have here another one of the first white shirt that I showed you, except this is another one that's something or a color that I would not usually buy for myself. It's like a coffee color, but there we are. So that's the same as the first white top that I showed you with the padding and the little double strap. So that's that one. I'm excited to see what that looks like on actually, because like I said, it's not usually a color that I would buy. So I hope it looks good. That's the only downfall of buying online, is that you don't know what it's going to look like until you actually get it here and try it on. Yet another one of the same style. Can't really see because I'm wearing black, but another one of the little double strap. It's always good to have something black. Next one, we have another t-shirt. This one is another band t-shirt. This one's a Metallica one. Metallica was actually the first band that I saw live, so it's all stuck together because it's got all writing on the back as well. So that is the next one. That is a bit more oversized as well, but not quite as big as some of the shirts that I have been wearing, but I think it'll be quite comfortable regardless. Oh, they've sent me 2 of the same shirts, apparently. So, okay, well, either a double up for me or a gift for somebody else. So this one that I got, they have sent me another one in the exact same size though. So the last item I have is a pair of shoes. Again, I wouldn't usually buy shoes from Cotton On, or from, actually this is Ruby, from the brand Ruby. It's owned by Cotton On as well. But I really like animal patterns. So I got myself a little pair of shoes. Looks like a little cheetah pattern. So I'm hoping that they're the right size, because I could not for the life of me remember when I was ordering them and adding them to my cart what size I actually am, because they don't come in like size 8 or 9 or anything, European sizes. So I'm hoping that these fit. And actually on the label there states that they're vegan, so there you go. And that is all I got. So I will show you shortly what they all look like on, and I'm hoping, fingers crossed, that they all are what I was after. So here is the first dress. So this is the color that, like I said, I wouldn't usually buy, and it's got the rippled effect down the front. I have no idea what you call that, but it's got a little pattern on the front and a little back view. Dress number 2. This is definitely more of a color that I would usually buy for myself, so it's just a dark green color. The only disappointing thing is that there is a little hole in the side there, but nothing that I can't fix really. Here is a little brown one, so the coffee colored top. I really like the cut of them with the little small straps and the length of it. I think it's really flattering. So I have that in the white and the black as well. So I thought I'd give you a proper look at the back of the little thin strapped crop. I really like the detailing on the back. So that is all of my activewear that I bought. I just thought that you guys might like to see what I bought, because like I said, I don't usually buy stuff for myself, so this is something new for me and exciting. I really enjoy getting deliveries, so I hope you enjoyed what I bought. I don't know about you, but I know it sounds really ridiculous, but I find that when I have something new to wear, like new shoes, new tights, new shirts, like new little crops, I get really excited to go to the gym and I feel more motivated to actually do a session. And no, I'm not saying I don't have motivation regardless of whether I have something new to wear. That's ridiculous. Like I said, I don't buy things for myself very often, but I am pretty excited to go to the gym this morning. So I'm glad that my delivery came nice and early, and now I just have to decide which one I want to wear first.